Hi, in this video we're going to show you a new Notepad app you could use. So if you don't like the Windows built-in Notepad app, you could try this one out. So you probably know in Windows 11 now we have the tabs at least, and some other features in the Notepad app. But this one's called Notepads with an S on it, and you could download it from the Microsoft Store. Just look for this icon, look for this author here, and then once you download it, you just run it once you have it installed. So I just have some random text in here so you kind of see how it works. Same thing with the tabs. And you could right click on it, rename the tab if you want. Close the save tabs close to the right, close others, just like you can with the other Notepad. And down on the bottom it has information, what line, what column, what encoding you're using, and that type of thing. And you could also go to the settings here, do new tab, new window, open, save. You can do find and replace, full screen, compact overlay if you like that, if you need some more space. And then you have your settings here. So you could turn on the text wrapping, which was off by default. You could have the spelling enabled, display, font size and font, line ending, default encoding, fallback decoding, tab key behavior, so when you press tab, how far it's going to go, and then default search engine because you could search from it too, which I'll show you in a second here. Then you have your themes if you want to do dark mode, background tint, change your accent color, use your Windows mode. Status bar, enable smart copy, which will trim leading and trailing spaces and so on. You can enable the session snapshot, which will make it remember the current session for the next launch, if you want to do that. Always open a new window when you open it. Exit app when closing last tab. Language, if you want to change the language. Then you just have the About section here. So going back to the thing here, so let's say we want to just highlight something, we could right click on it, same options, cut, copy, paste, select all, word wrap, share, search in the web. So if we do that, just going to open up your browser with the default search engine that you chose in the settings there. And then you could share selected if you have any kind of sharing setup. So it's pretty similar to the Windows 11 new Notepad app, but it has some additional features, like these line numbers and so on might come in handy if you're doing a lot of this type of stuff, writing scripts or, that type of thing. So like I said, just go to the Microsoft Store, look for Notepads with an S, and look for this icon, look for Jackie Lou, and then you'll be good to go. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.